Hey guys, welcome to Living Irving. This is your girl Latanya Irving. Today I am super excited to be doing a review and demonstration on the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. I picked up this foundation at my local Ulta drugstore and I purchased this with my own money. I do not receive PR packages from anyone, Juvia's Place or anyone, so this will be a honest review and demonstration. I also picked up this matte liquid lipstick by Juvia's Place, and it is in the color LULU, so you'll also get to see what that lipstick looks like as well. So if you like to see how this foundation and lipstick looks on, keep on watching. Please remember to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any uploaded videos. And let's go ahead and hop on into the video. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and did my brows and my eyeshadow and lashes, so I don't have anything on my face. My face has been cleaned and moisturized. So this is the closest primer that I could find. I picked this up at Sally's. It's called Femme Contour. This is a discontinued line, so I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with this. It's a pore minimizer, and I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over. It does have like a little tint to it, so it's very lightweight. Okay, so I want to mention what the foundation claims to do. So the foundation comes in 42 shades. It's called I Am Magic Foundation. And it says that the I Am Magic foundation offers a smooth application with a natural and soft matte finish to give you a flawless coverage. A great formula to even out the complexion, refine skin texture, erase blemishes, maintaining the initial finish throughout the day. And it's suitable for all types of skin, including sensitive and oily skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a demo of what it looks like. I am in the color Aruba, and this is the number 510 or Aruba. That's the shade that I found in Ulta that closest matches me. So let's go ahead and get the foundation going. Okay, so in the packaging you're getting 30 milliliters, and that equates to 1.0 fluid ounces, and this is what the packaging looks like. Very cute, and I'm just going to take about that much, and that may be too much. I am going to use this Kabuki brush by Real Techniques, and I'm going to spritz it with a little Mario Badescu water, and I'm going to start on this side. And it is quite thick. Now when I tried it on in Ulta, it does oxidize a little bit darker, so it may look a little crazy, but it is covering all of my blemishes. I'm going to go on this side and use the rest. I love this brush for foundation. It doesn't leave any streak. It feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. And I can still see a few little spots right here. Didn't say that it was full coverage, so I'm thinking this is more of a medium coverage. So I'm going to take just a little more, another dot, because I want to build it up a little bit more. Right around here. I'm just going to go over it. It's just a habit with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And just okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight with this MAC Prep and Prime. And this is in the color Light Boost. I'm not concealing today. I was not able to get the concealer when I purchased the foundation. The concealer had not come into Ulta. So I am just going to brighten. Okay, so I've applied my makeup and now I will be applying the matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Lulu. It is like a dark brick red. And the foundation, I forgot to mention, I paid about $20 at Ulta, and the lipstick I think was $18. It's super pigmented. Just one little dot. Okay, so this completes the look. My final thoughts on the foundation. I think it feels very good. I love it. It covers up blemishes well. It's a full coverage foundation. It feels like it's gonna hold up really nicely. It feels very lightweight. It feels very satiny on my skin. And as far as the lipsticks, I love red lipsticks. The lipstick feels very smooth and soft. For the price, it feels very good, and I love the color payoff. So Juvia's Place, you did a great job on the foundation and the lipstick. I love her products. The eyeshadow palette, the eyeshadows I did with the Juvia's Place, one of her palettes too. I'm not sure. I think it's the Masquerades if I'm not mistaken. So this is, you know, eyeshadow, lipstick, and foundation by Juvia's Place. I think she has some great products, and I look forward to purchasing more from her. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment and let me know what you think, or if you've tried this foundation and lipstick. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.